The founding of the Communist Party of China in 1921 was a seminal event in world history. Over the last 100 years, the CPC has led the Chinese people from the depths of poverty and despair to the heights of achievement. China has undergone astounding transformations and national consolidation. China's achievements, the elimination of poverty, installation of modern infrastructure and industry, leadership in global manufacturing and trade, path-breaking technological breakthroughs are unprecedented in the annals of history. Prime Minister Imran Khan of Pakistan has said, China's success is something we hope to emulate in Pakistan. Pakistan supports China's efforts to safeguard world peace, reinvigorate multilateralism, preserve international order, and contribute to global development. Our time-tested friendship with China and the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is the flagship project of the Belt and Road Initiative, provide an enduring framework for the continued strengthening of the strategic partnership between Pakistan and China. And our all-weather strategic cooperative partnership remains a strong anchor for peace, progress, and prosperity. Pakistan will continue to work hand in hand with China at the United Nations to advance the noble cause of peace and development, not only for our countries, but for all the developing countries of the world.